Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. In today's video, I see the reason to bring this topic that is not talking by any forex YouTuber. And so the topic is go $5 to infinity faster. Dogi Inline retest Infinitesimal scalping strategy for crash 300 volatility 75 index and forex. The key points we shall be discussing here are infinity, doji, inline retest, infinitesimal, scalping strategy. Okay, it's very important that we look at the meaning of a doji. We need to understand the meaning of doji here. Okay, now this is what we call doji candlestick pattern. Okay, this is doji candlestick, this is doji candlestick, this is doji candlestick. One of the one of the major characteristics of a doji candle is just that it have negligible body. It doesn't have a body. Basically, the body is a line, just like a cross. It doesn't have a body. The open and close price are the same. Okay, so the position of the open and closing price determine the type of the doji we have. The gravestone where the open and close is near to the low. We have the long legs where the open and closing of the price are the middle. And we have the dragonfly where the open and close price is near the high. Okay, now there is something similar to doji. So the doji family spinning top. Okay, a spinning top is a form of doji, but then it has a measurable body. The body of the candle is big, is a little bit big. Okay, now I'm going to take you to the forex chart and then synthetic. This is US dollars, Canadian dollars. Okay, now your work is to select any time frame of your chart depending on your personality. If you are scalping, if you're a scalper, if you're like if you're a scalper strategist, like you like scalping, you have to use H4 time frame. If you're a swinger, you have to use daily time frame. Then if you positional trader, you hold trade for a very long time, you use the week or the monthly. Okay, now this idea does not say eliminate, or it does not discourage you from doing top-down analysis or employing other technical analytical methods. Rather, it is addition to, so don't use it alone. Okay, if you really want to go far, you are not going to be using it alone. It's just a kind of a supporting tool. So you first of all need to define the direction of the market by using an arrow diagram. It's very important because once you don't know direction, you will be buying and be selling. Like anything that comes, any opportunity that presents itself, you will do, which is unprofessional and more of loss. Like is you lose more money here if you do like that. A successful trader will always take one type of trade. Either he buy or he sell. Either he's trading a bull market or he's trading a bear market. He can't trade two, no matter how you attempted. When you discover the participant in the market, when you discover the dominant in the market, the people that are dominating the market, you will see every other event as retracement and trap. Simple. Okay, so these doji and the doji families, that are just like trap. They only become trap if you know the long-term direction of the market, if you know the dominant or the dominant participants in the market. Okay, right now, I think one of the best way to know the dominant in the market is actually to see where the market is breaking level in the past, okay, along the active path, like it's breaking, like this area was taken out, okay. So when this, look at this candle, this is a spinning top, right? This is a spinning top, even though the highs and low are not at a symmetrical with the body, like we can take it to be similar to gravestone doji, okay, or spinning top somehow, because the body is visible. So this event that happened here is trap or pause, or we call it um, zero state. The main direction of the market is up, buyers are in control, so this is a zero state. When this thing dies off, all you need is to see a candle that break is high, since it's going up. So you are looking for a candle that break is high. This is the candle. Once you notice that this candle break this high, look for some good retracement at certain lower time frame, M30 or M15, and you do what you buy. Since it's going up, your stop loss should be below the, like below the low of the doji, okay, since you are buying, okay. Now let's look at a scenario where a market, during a selling market, you notice a movement like this, and then we are now looking for such type of candle. We really need such type of candle. Can we get it here? After this market break this level, that is when we know that it's going down. So we have one of the candles here. Look at it. This is a spinning top again. You can see it's basically a spinning top or closer to dragonfly, but then I cannot say it's a dragonfly because it has a ray body, so it's a spinning top. And so we are looking for break. We are looking for a candle that will break it and then look for retest, and then you're gonna sell. Your stop loss should be, above the spinning top or doji candle. Now I'm going to take you to synthetic market. This idea is highly applicable in a high speed market, a market with very huge momentum. So if you see, most people miss signals on I'm sorry, boom and crash indices because of this idea, because they don't have the idea, they couldn't understand this principle. So let's go so that you see it yourself. Okay. Now if you look at what is happening here, this is 1000 on the H4 time frame for scalpers, and you can also, a swinger can also trade this. If you do some other analysis, you see this is a spinning top here. So there is a break. This candle break the low, and for the fact that here has been broken, this shows that the market is pointing downwards. That place has been broken. Now we have this price close below here, below this spinning top, and then we have a kind of we have a kind of um, some retests which you should have noticed in lower time frame, and then you are gonna sell stop loss above the spinning top. Now let me look for some dodgy stuff here. So yeah, I got one. You see, this market is going like this. So this is a real dodgy. You can see that the body is negligible. There's a dodgy here, and then there is a break above that dodgy. There's a break above the dodgy. This candle break it. So you are going to, as you break it, then you look for some kind of retracement, and you are going along stop loss below this dodgy candle. You see, most of my courses are very, very metaphysical, but the truth is not everybody have time to apply these things, to study these things. And the truth is that if you want to make profit, I have a boom and crash group, VIP boom and crash group. I think it's one of the cheapest group I have. Monthly is $150. So what you need to do is to join that monthly, because other groups are costly. Okay, the money you make from boom and crash, you can use it to invest in other groups. We have more than 4 groups, and these groups are powerful. They're only there to help you based on your needs. There are people that have, like, trade one particular type of market. Like, there are people that trade forex, there are people that trade synthetic, there are people that trade binary. So we have all these groups. It depends on your needs. All you need to do is to specify what you want. Okay. So most time you will miss this opportunity, and if you are trying to place trade, your stop loss will be triggered. Okay. You might be on a flight, you might be on a car, or might be bothered with meetings and all of that. Why not copy and paste our trade? You will be alerted on Telegram, and you're going to place the trade automatically. Okay. We also have robots that trade boom and crash for you while you sleep. You can buy the robot, you can buy signal on boom and crash, or you can do at least one. Okay. So I'll be ending this video. I've tried at least to educate you people on my free videos. So if you want to go find your trading, you have to do something, buy our signal or enroll for our courses. Like this boom and crash, and this is I have a course called Boom and Crash Millionaire course. That means if you pass through the course, you automatically become a millionaire. I mean, in space of 1 week, just following our instructions in the course. Okay, so thank you. Bye for now.